When computing a table of column percents, we're asking the basic question of all the cases in a given column, what percent of those cases also fall within a given row within that column. So for example, in this particular case of table 2, we asked the question of all city residents in this sample, and we got 900 city residents in the sample, what percent of them have been a victim of a crime? And what we find is 400 of those 900, which translates into 44% of those people have been a victim of a crime. Likewise, if we ask of all those people that live in rural areas, and in this particular example we have 150 people in rural areas, what percent of those people were victims of a crime? We find that 50 out of those 150, or 33% of the rural residents, were a victim of crime. So basically that's how you compute a table of column percents. Now the interpretation of this table is basically you percent down the columns and then you compare across the row of the variable that you're interested in. In this particular case, we reach the conclusion that both city residents and suburban residents are far more likely to be victims of crime than rural residents. They're basically 40%, 44% for city dwellers and only about 33% for rural folks.